Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this short video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone showing unable to check for update when I try to update my iPhone on latest iOS 27. As you can see right now it's showing this error. So in this video I will show you how to fix. First of all, you need to close that error and open your iPhone settings app and check your iPhone storage when you try to check update. Okay, to do that, open iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and make sure you have enough space in your iPhone when you update your iPhone to the latest iOS 27. Okay, if that method not working, then make sure you are connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data when you check the iPhone update. Okay, to check that, open iPhone settings, okay, and tap on Wi-Fi or cellular data. Make sure you are connected with strong Wi-Fi. To check strong Wi-Fi network, you need to open your Safari browser and search here apple.com or apple.beta.com. You can see right now it's working well, so there is no issue to update right now. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. So after force to restart, check update. If it's working, then good. If it's not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is make sure you are not connected with any VPN device. If you are connected with any VPN, just tap on iPhone settings and tap on general, scroll down and find your VPN and device management. Okay, you can see right now it's not connected with any VPN. If you're connected any VPN, just remove the VPN and try to check update. Okay, if that method not working, then make sure the iOS 27 update is in beta update. Right now it's not official. So if your Apple ID registered with beta program, you can easily find and see and install it. But if you are Apple ID not sign up in beta program, you can't see that update. So wait for a few days and Apple will officially launch iOS 27 and it will appear on your iPhone devices. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.